Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And the crazies continue in 2020. I saw this post on SWLING website. It's SWLING.com. And it really has great information about shortwave listening. Okay, we'll turn that off. There. My scanner radio was running. The article is the Reciva Internet Radio Station Aggregate is closing down. Now that statement in itself is confusing. But what it is, I believe, is that these internet radios like this one, this is from C.C. Crane, where you can listen to radios throughout the world via the internet, via this little box. Now you could do the same thing on your computer, but this makes it a little more convenient. It's a standalone little box. And what they're saying here is that one of the contributors to this website, John Drake, notes that Reciva has announced that they're closing down effective January 31, 2021. And I have at least two of these internet type radios. I don't have the CC Crane. One of them is a Grace radio, and I don't remember what the other one is. Actually, I may have three. And I don't know which, but I remember using this Reciva website to set up unique stations for my radio to use, ones that I couldn't get off the menus on the radio. So I had to go to their website, and what they were scanner radios on Radio Reference. And you put the URL in and save it, and then your radio will talk to your account on the internet and get this information. And then you can do other things like you can do all the programming of your radio as far as stations via that website, which makes it more convenient. Now, the confusing part is my radio going to stop working? Or is it just that I can't use this website anymore to make any changes to it, which I haven't done in a couple of years? Down here in some of the comments, it makes it even more confusing. And I think there was even a comment about, see if I can find it. Yeah, Grace Radio. It says, I found this a short while ago online, while doing an online search about Reciva. It appears Grace Digital, that's one of my radios, has their own station database of stations that work in conjunction with their newer radios, which aren't affected by the Reciva shutdown. Now, again, I don't remember because I haven't really changed things on my radios. I just use them. So I'm going to have to see whether all my radios are going to go dead. And that's quite an investment. Let's see, it says once into the account, it's similar to where you add stations, links, yeah, okay. So I'm going to have to check out, the guy was even nice enough to give you a link. I'm going to have to check this out and see if I have an account here. And it may be that one of my radios uses this website up here, shown in the picture right here, and the other one uses this website here. Let me see if I'm going to click on it just for a second, see what it looks like, see if it looks familiar. No, it doesn't look familiar. So I'll have to check this out and see if everything is still working, at least on my Grace radio, which is my best one. But I have two other ones, two that I bought and one that one of my subscribers gave me about a year ago. So that's it. Whew, 2020, it's been a rough year. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.